Someday, I'll have enough to step inside.
Listen up, because I just found a way to generate videos up to 25 minutes long using just a single prompt. Crazy, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Make sure you don't skip any part of the process, because one small mistake could end up costing you credits you didn't need to spend. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create long-form AI videos with minimal effort and maximum results. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So this right here is the AI tool, and right from the very get-go, you can easily see that there's truly an incredible amount you can do with this. You have access to a ton of absolutely amazing features, ranging all the way from simple animations to full-on Ghibli-style videos, and even deep, long-form content. Honestly, you can think of this almost like a ChatGPT of animation, because inside this all-in-one tool, you can apply it to so many different creative use cases. You can post long-form content regularly, and you can even generate up to 25 full minutes of AI film using just this one platform. Plus, you have lots of other amazing tools right here at your disposal, like you have specific tools for text animation, image to animation, character animation, as well as audio to animation. You can scroll right down on the page, and to actually start using this, all you have to do is click right here on New Project. Once you do that, you'll be loaded right over to this workspace interface, and you can see that you have lots of different use cases here as well to choose from. You can even use this to make your own anime, or I can just say right here as an example. I can type out, I want a story of a girl that grew up poor but eventually became rich. Just like this, I can send it over, and like I said before, think of this as the ultimate ChatGPT of animation. Within this all-in-one interface, you can generate the text prompts, and you can just as easily generate the actual videos using the exact prompts that you've gotten. All you have to do next is click right here on Confirm, and the system will start fetching some details about our specific request. From there, all you have to do is choose your target audience. Like, I can go with kids for this one, and for the distribution platform. I can say YouTube, and for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with standard 16:9. I won't make this AI tool too specialized or long for this demo, because even though you can actually generate all the way up to 25 minutes of film, I'm just gonna leave it at 30 seconds for now and hit confirm. It's currently generating everything for us, and it's giving us some great options to choose from. So all you have to do is select which narrative path you want, like you can go with option A or option B, and you also have the option to input your own specific idea if you want to guide it differently. I'm gonna go with option A with this one, so I'll just click on it, and then it'll ask you to choose a few more detailed features about the video you want to generate, right here. And you just answer each and every one of these quick prompts. When you're completely done, you have an outline just like this, and it's basically giving you every single detail you need for this entire generation process. On top of that, it has as well generated the full script. You can send this right over so it can generate the style design for you, and when you think about this, it's just an all-in-one powerhouse that basically does absolutely everything for you behind the scenes, all with one single initial prompt. You can get long-form, visually engaging content that can go all the way up to 25 minutes. So now they want you to pick a visual style for this project, and I'm going with Joyful 3D. If you look closely now right here, you can see it generated everything for our story, like the characters all the way to the background locations and even the individual props. Every single thing has been generated for us automatically. Do keep in mind that I only used one single prompt for this whole thing, and I can generate all concepts just like this. It's currently generating, so just give it a couple of seconds while it processes our content for us. It's done generating the images, and now you have to generate the story segment. So basically, you just generate every single one of these scenes. I just absolutely love how every single process is being documented right in front of you on the canvas, ranging from all the characters and every single scene, all the way to the final video export. So now all you have to do is click on Create Video, and it currently generates our video for us in real time, as well as background audio for us. When you do this for every video, you should have something like this right here. And here is the final preview video.
Someday, I'll have enough to step inside.
That was me. Exactly me. This one's yours. Dreams do come true.
Wasn't that just great? No weird morphing, no heavy distortion, and it adhered perfectly to just a single prompt and basically generated a full-on, cohesive story for us. Remember, you can take this all the way up to 25 minutes, which is basically an absolute game changer when it comes to the world of animation. The name is this right here. The link will be in my bio. And do keep in mind that they give all new users free credits to start, and they add up an extra 100 credits every single day, so make sure to go test it out. And if you want more amazing content like this, make sure to like and subscribe.